Tottenham's double transfer swoop still raises Daniel Levy question for Antonio Conte. Tottenham have been the most active in the early stages of the postseason in bringing in new signings, with Fraser Forster set to follow Ivan Perisic through the door. But neither deal will truly test Daniel Levy's reported promise to fully back Antonio Conte in the transfer market. Perisic has signed on a free transfer after running down his contract at Inter Milan, and Forster will also join for nothing. The free agent market is set to be utilized by a number of teams, with the likes of Ousmane Dembele, Paul Pogba, Paulo Dybala and Andrea Bellotti among those set to be out of contract. Dybala is once again being strongly linked with a move to Spurs after his failed move to North London back in 2019. But reports have indicated that Conte will be financially backed in the transfer market to bring in the players that he wants. It's been claimed that Conte and Fabio Paratici will be given full control on transfer proceedings. Perisic may well be a deal Conte pushed for to help bolster his squad ahead of next year's Champions League. Just in, Barcelona working to complete two-year loan deal with Tottenham, but the Italian will also want to improve his starting lineup in both defense and midfield to help push higher up the table. A host of players have been linked with big money moves to Tottenham, but none have materialized so far. It's still very early in the postseason, with the transfer window not officially open yet. But given that all clubs fighting at the top of the Premier League are also fighting to make big moves in the transfer market, Tottenham may need to make their moves quickly. Reports have indicated that Conte wants all his new signings in place before the pre-season tour in South Korea next month. That leaves little over 4 weeks for Tottenham to get all their business done, and will test whether Levy can stay true to his word in offering financial backing to Conte. Don't miss: the former Inter Milan boss has now committed himself to the club for the summer, but he's flirted with leaving on several occasions already. Keeping Conte sweet may well cost Tottenham a record-breaking transfer window. But to make that step up and compete at the very top of the Premier League, Spurs will need to spend money in improving Conte's squad. It's still expected that at least one central defender will be signed, along with a midfielder and another forward. It's also likely that a full-back will be signed on either wing, depending on whether Sergio Reguilón and Emerson Royal are sold. Tottenham have already made their moves ahead of the transfer window opening, but Conte will want more of the same in the coming weeks.